Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I got a package from Jumia and I'm going to unbox it right here. First off, we'll tear the packaging leather from Jumia. Oh, there's another one, a black one this time. Okay, let's take this off. Finally, here is our BUDSNEO 3 from ITEL. I've been seeing some videos about this and I decided to get one myself to see how it really looks like. So let's unbox this together. This packaging looks familiar. Oh yeah, just like a mobile phone. Most mobile phones are packaged like this, so it's going to be easy to open. You just have to remove the under packaging gently. And then let's see. Yeah, we're able to open that. So from the first look, it's really, the packaging is very nice. I can give ITEL that one. Packaging for this is really nice. Let's bring out the Bluetooth itself. And then what else do we have here? Let's see. What is this going to be now? I think I know. This is going to be the extra earbuds. That is, if the one in the Bluetooth is too big or too small, you can take any other one of your choice. Or if you misplace any one, you can easily just replace it with these extra ones. Very thoughtful of you, ITEL. Okay, let's put this back into the packaging and see what else we have in the box. This thing is falling off. Let me just fix this immediately and then we continue. Alright, opening this other cover, let's see what we have here. Okay, I think this is going to be the charger cable. Yes, I'm right. It's the cable for charging it. It's USB-C to USB. That is, you're going to need a charger brickhead to charge it, and this is the user manual. So lengthy. I guess we'll have to read this another day. And then the Bluetooth itself. Let's see what is inside. Putting it, okay. It has a light indicator and then the earbuds themselves. Okay. Okay, there's another thing covering the tip. Let's take that out. It's like for, okay, it's to prevent it from charging while it's inside the case. Okay, let's take the second ears off. Okay, and we are done. So that's everything inside of the ITEL BUDSNEO 3. Yeah, everything needed. I think I should commend ITEL for this. Everything inside of the box is completely necessary and then relevant. Okay. This was that sellotape that was covering the tip of the Bluetooth, and then these are the ear tips. I think these ear tips are just like external, or more like your choice to pick from. If your ear is small, you pick from the small one. If you prefer the larger one, then you use it. So if you want to charge it, just plug in the cable from beneath it, and then you plug it to a charging brick if you have one. I'm going to try to organize everything. While you are doing that, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share. It's going to help us a lot. Thank you. Okay, this is everything reorganized inside the box. This is the casing, and this one is the Bluetooth case that's going to charge the ears. This is one of the ear and this the other. These are the small ear tips and this is the large ones. This is the charging cable. This is the sellotape that cover the tip of the Bluetooth. This is the packaging leathers that are inside, the big one and then the small one. This is the user manual. If you care to read that, and I suggest you do before you use this product. And this was the top cover. This was the middle one that was separating the user manual from the Bluetooth itself, and then this was the one that housed everything. So that is all.